everybody, that wraps the video. Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time there's a video. And also comment shout out join for the comment. We can start replying back to every single comment. Here's Eren Yeager from the final episode of Attack on Titan. Hopefully y'all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and if you want to see more Attack on Titan drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I might make some more Attack on Titan drawings even though the show ended, so let me know if you would like to see that by smashing the like button. I'm going to be leaving us our drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out, because I'm sure you find some characters that I've drawn for that you really like. So make sure to check it out since it'll be in the description, and I also have a drawing playlist here for Attack on Titan, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.